Hey Dragan family, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brinton Gundersen. I'm here in Boise, Idaho. Today we're going to talk about 5 things on your checklist that you should mark off before you head to the skate park. So let's get right to it and let's help you ride better. Check it out. So the first one on the checklist is 5 to 10 hours of time on your board. Just cruising down the street, cruising in your kitchen, cruising everywhere you can. You got to get comfortable with those cracks, those bumps, and just getting the basics down and feeling really comfortable before taking it to the next level. This will help reduce some of the pain that goes into learning how to ride a skate park. So 5 to 10 hours is what we suggest before you really hit it hard in the skate park. So the second item you need to check off the list is how to stop. Make sure to watch Simon's how to stop video so you can master that skill and head to the park. It is important to know that before you get there. You need to be safe, and you also need to keep the other people in the park safe as well. And knowing how to stop will do that. So the third item on the list is jumping up and down curbs. If you haven't already, watch the video with Jay about how to do that. This is very important as you'll have to jump over things like skateboards coming across the skate park and just the general obstacles there. It will really help you progress more quickly in the park when you're ready to get there. So the next one on the list is not so obvious. It's called the walk. So the walk is anytime you need to get up a small bank or a ramp or a set of stairs. It's using your weight and leaning side to side and walking your opposite foot. It looks a little funny, and it definitely feels funny at first. So this is something to spend a little bit of time, find a staircase and cruise up and down it a few times. Make sure you know how to do it before you get in the park, because you will definitely need to know this skill to move around. The last one on the list, make sure you pick up some good pads, some wrist protection, some elbows, some knee pads, and of course a helmet. You can't really skate very long if you get hurt. Take your time, protect yourself, and take it easy. You don't have to learn every trick the first week. Just go easy, man. Progress. Protect yourself. Well, we definitely hope that these 5 things will help you in the skate park and ride better. That's what it's all about. That's what we love here at Dragan. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Peace out.